Shut up and sit down.
Hello folks, Colin here, Festa 67's workshop. We've had a prezzie, yes, from my good old mate Ron Hetem with an H. He sent me a prezzie, folks. So shall we have a quick looky-loo at what we got? So I'll just open up this box. Oh, have a look at that. This is the Men pickup WZPU1. Look at that, folks. And it is a 35th Velociraptor Series VS001 ready to assemble. It says, look at that. Yes, so you can build this iconic pickup with a bit of menace, folks. So this is going to lead on to a little scene that I want to build up. I think Ron has been very diligent again, and he's gone through my Amazon list, hasn't he? So let's have a quick look at what we've got. There's your instruction sheet there with all the different colours that you can go for. Factory colours, they're all nice and shiny. But I'm going to go for a pretty gnarly variant, as you can imagine. One that's been around the bushes, paint's faded, dust on it, all of that sort of stuff, okay? So this is where we can get really into it and create a little story of our build. Kit looks like it's going to go together really, really well, folks. Nice bit of detail there, engine, chassis and all of that lot. So it looks like a nice straightforward build. All the interior there, seats, etc. Pretty generic construction there. I shall do a bit with the body shell there, possibly open up the doors. I'm undecided yet as to which direction to go with it. Now you can see all the cage going in, the flatbed and all of that. So you could, if you wanted to, do a nice clean pickup if that's what you're after. But we got the rear gun and all of that lot to go in there, so we're going to have a bit of that. And we've also got the figure to go in there, so we might as well do him as well. And then I'll probably have a look at a driver figure, shoehorning something like that in there. Or I might just tint the windows out so that you can't really see in. So there's a million ways of doing that. So we'll see what we come up with as an idea, but already I'm looking at the potential with this. And like I say, with the rear gunner in there is, you know, a slightly bombed out war zone or something like that, where this guy's just sat there doing his thing. Could have it with the driver's door open, where the driver's just disappeared to go off and have a comfort break or something like that. So yeah, but that's the variant we've got. So that's the instructions. We can then start having a look at the kit parts themselves. So we'll get these all opened up and de-plasticked for you. We'll come back and have a look at the sprues. Right, so you've got the body shell there, looking rather splendid there. I'm going to keep the reinforcement panels on until we come to build it. But already I'm looking at them doors there. I'm thinking, yeah, we could possibly do something with them. We'll see. We'll see how it goes. So that's the body shell. You then got nice detailed mouldings there of the rear wings, the flatbed, bonnet, etc. So they're nicely detailed. This is the rear gun, folks, with all the different markings on it, etc. Again, really well moulded, right down to the holes on the side of the gun there. You've got vent holes and all of that gubbins going on. So that's looking mint. Like that a lot. This is the fella sitting in the back there. Looking rather, how can we say, menacing. Got his hoodie up and his mask on and that, so we can paint him up. Have him slapped in the back there, doing his thing. This is the underside, floor pan chassis section, dashboard and all of that with the seat. Again, gnarl them up. Probably coat the seats in foil and have them a bit ripped and a bit used and abused. So why not? Why not have fun with it? That's the key. Here's all your front grills, your wheels, discs and calipers, roll bar, all the ancillary components there of the pickup. I must admit, it is really, really, really well moulded. And then obviously your chassis there with the base of the engine in place. You've got your transfer box, rear diff, all your wishbones and leafs and everything, your exhausts, all looking really, really beautifully moulded. So yeah, that's that. We've then obviously got our rubber tyres there, so we can dust them up and get some stuff embedded in the tread. And then in the bag, I'm keeping all the clear components in there for now until I decide to put them on the model. That just protects them. And then we'll do our usual mist with the windscreen wiper sand marks and all of that. And then obviously we got some decals there where we can put our own branding on it. And yes, look, a bit of devil's metal, folks. Yeah, photo etches in there. So all in all, a really beautifully moulded kit there. I'm really tempted to open at least probably the driver's door and maybe the opposite passenger door. Do it like that for a change, something different. So people have jumped out the back of this and gone for a trundle or whatever, or gone after someone, and the geezer in the back there with the gun emplacement is doing his thing. But yeah, we can, you know, do the obligatory bit of rust, a bit of detritus, a few dents, that sort of thing. Batter it up a little bit. Why not? But again, you got the option with this, folks, where you can do a clean build like so, factory fresh, or you can gnarl it up, and kind of what I want to do. You know, on the box art, they've got the premise there where they've started just chipping at it, putting in a few dents, that sort of thing. So I kind of want to lean towards that look and choose a really flat colour paint that looks like it's been sun-drenched and aged. So, Ron, you have done it again, mate. You've sent me a kit there, and I know what you're up to. You want me to do me little dioramas and things like that, and I really appreciate the fact that you've sent this, because we do chat a bit about ideas and things like that for builds. And yeah, again, you know, I'm looking forward to doing this. I shall do it as a video build so you can see how I do it. I'll do the usual going forward. I'm just going to assemble the kits, and then I shall focus more on the painting and the weathering and the dio side of things going forward. It's easier for me to film that way, folks. Okay. So big props to Ron. Thank you again, mate, for thinking of dear old Festa Pops. And if you see the Ron in my live streams or anywhere with me going forward, just give him a little well done, mate, and a little thanks and a little bit of love, because goes out of his way to think of me, and it's massively appreciated. So big props to you, mate. Thank you so much, mate, and look forward to seeing you next time, folks. So keep an eye out on the channel for this video. There's going to be a few getting filmed and released, so yeah, this is going to be one of them. So until then, folks, stay safe and well. Bye bye for now. Thanks, Ron.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down,